How to like someone on Bumble app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to like someone on Bumble, first of all, you need to make sure that you've already set up your profile carefully. If you haven't, you can head over to your profile section and tap on this complete profile. You can go through all of these sections and update your profile. Once you update your profile, you are now ready to match with someone. In order to do that, head over to this people section. Here, you can explore through different people's profile. You can go through their profile informations. And if you want to like someone, you can simply right swipe on their profile. And if you want to unlike someone, you can left swipe on their profile. If they also right swipe on your profile back, you will have a match with them. After that, you can talk with them in this chat section. So that's a very easy process to like someone on Bumble app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.